People don't trust me on this sometimes, but it's true.
Never have I ever got fired from a job. I have never.
I haven't until now.
No.
I have never actually.
I have never been fired, but I have been nearly fired. I managed to quit before they fired me, so.
Actually, no. I have never gotten fired from a job. Yet. Who knows?
Never have I ever called in sick, although I wasn't.
No, I have never.
Yes, of course, many times. I'd rather use my sick days for when I'm not actually sick.
Yeah.
I have.
I have.
I have.
That is, and I have, because I worked in a bar, so.
People don't trust me on this sometimes, but it's true. Like, whenever I feel sick, I'm just honestly sick.
That I actually have done.
Never have I ever lied about my work experience.
Of course I have, yes, to get a job back in my country in Italy. I just finished my high school and they require like 1+ year of experience, and I just faked it and I got the job, so I think I did well.
Yes.
Maybe.
Nope.
Yes?
That's another I've never.
I have. I mean, come on, I think we all did a little bit here and there.